In this video, we will show you how to create a basic PowerPoint presentation with pictures. First, let's go ahead and choose a theme. Click the theme from the gallery and let's choose a different color. Click to add title and type the title. Click to add subtitle and type the subtitle. You can change the font color, select the title, and on the Home tab, click the font color arrow and select a color. Let's make the title bold and let's change the font and let's change the font size. Let's italicize the subtitle, change the font, and let's change the font size. Let's add a new slide. Click the new slide arrow and select a layout. Click to add title and type the title. Let's go ahead and center the title and change the font. Let's click to add text and let's type the text. Let's click the increase indent button and type the text. Let's press enter and let's click the decrease indent button and type the text. We're going to go ahead and change the font and let's change the bullets. Let's go ahead and insert a picture. On the Insert tab, click the Pictures arrow. You can select a picture from your file or online pictures. Let's go ahead and click one of the pictures and click Insert. Point to one of the corners, and once you see the two-headed arrow, you can drag the picture sizing handle to resize the picture. Here's the completed presentation. We followed the same steps to insert and resize the pictures. Let's click the Slide Sorter View button. You can see an overview of the entire presentation. Let's switch back to the normal view. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.